بسم الله الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف النبيين وإمام المرسلين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه الأخيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. أما بعد, respected viewers, students of knowledge, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His infinite mercy upon us. We send salutation to His noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household, his companions, and those who follow his footsteps to the day of accountability. I bear witness that there is no any deity worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. So, respected students, we want to continue with our lesson 5, where we are looking at what? Wudud. We are looking at what? Wudud. Don't forget, we said the name is Mad, but Wudud means the jamu, the plural form. So, we are still on Maddu Bil Alifi. That's still on part 1, not part 2. Part 2 is Maddu Bil Alifi. We are still in part 1, but this time around exercise 2, because I told us we are going to be looking at exercises on it. So I want us to follow the book we are using, Nurul Bayan, religiously. I don't want us to leave anything unturned in that book, because the way the author have systematically draft all those exercises, if one can go through them religiously, by the time we are done and we want to cite reciting the Quran, one will not have any issue, except if you have not gone through that book and ensure that all the exercises you went through them. That's when you will be having issues. So, respected students, go to page 25 of this book. So I'm going to be starting quickly with the first word. Look at it very well. Our stretch is on the first letter. So hence we are going to pronounce ha-roba. Say it.
Ha-roba.
Ha-roba. So we will not say ha-roba like we used to do before. We have to take note of the stretch. So we must ensure that we give it its due elongation. The due elongation that is due to any of the huruf here has to be given. Otherwise, we would have changed the meaning of the word. So, ha-roba, ha-jaro, ta-kota, na-kotu, Adamu, Yakofu. So this one is not Yakofu. The stretch here on this road is on the second letter. Is on the what? Second letter. Yakofu. Yakofu. Yazalu. 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 Yugofu. 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 Please take note. Yugofu. Okay. What's on this one? Ya is ya. Okay, and then put it. So, Yutofu. 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 Yukolu. Yukolu. Okay. The next one. Thaniya. Thaniya. The stretch is on the first one. Thaniya. Da'iya. Da'iya. Badiya. Ghaliba. Ghaliba. Khalika. Khalika. Zalimu. Zalimu. Baligu. Baligu. Jami'u. Jami'u. Thalithu. Thalithu. Dabiru. Dabiru. Ma'aribu. So it is Hamza that is being stretched here, not me. So Ma'aribu. Maghanimu. Maghanimu. Mafatihu. Mafatihu. Namariku. Namariku. Manafi'u. Manafi'u. Da'ana. To stretch. Stretch on the second haraf and on the third haraf. Da'ana. Abana. Ta'amika. Ta'amika. Layaliya. Layaliya. Kawaiba. Kawaiba. Yudafi'u. Yudafi'u. Tujadilu. Tujadilu. Shana'anu. 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 Astaghfirullah. And you didn't take note. I was saying Shana, so it's known that I'm giving the stress. And known it is Hamza that owns the stretch. Do you take note of that? Is Hamza or what's in the book? Yeah, okay. So it's not going to be Shana. If you say Shana, if I'm to write Shana, this is what I would have written. Shana. You understand? I'll now say Anu. Shana Anu. So that's what I would have done. Sha. But it is not Shana Anu. Shana Anu. Shana Anu. Shana Anu. Nashi'atu. 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 Fa'adhaqatu. فأذاقت فأذاقت مناكبها Where's the emphasis? Na and ha, both of them have the alif mad that we are treating. So asabiha tahaurakuma riayatiha. So you have to take notes because some of these things that the author is bringing are in the Quran. They are in the Quran. So by the time you are used to them, when you come across them in the Quran, it becomes very simple. Riayatiha, mizajuha. So that is how to pronounce them. All what you will need to do is to ensure that you go and practice muraja'a. Do muraja'a, read it several times. Listen to this video and pronounce after several times so you become an expert in it. So I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us beneficial knowledge and give us the nur of the Quran. Make it useful for us in this life and in the year after. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه الأخيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. See you in my next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.